Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So we will do another Halloween makeup, and I was inspired to make a little bit colorful skull makeup, mermaid skull mermaid makeup. I'm super excited to do that, guys. I hope you're going to like this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be uploading a lot of videos, especially Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for my Halloween makeup looks until October, and I will be uploading random vlogs on weekends as well. So please stay tuned, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so that you will be notified on my new video. So thank you so much for being here, and please check my latest video, which is the Wednesday Addams video. We have an ongoing giveaway. It's a collaboration giveaway, and I hope you're going to support it as well. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share this to your friends. And please pray for our loved ones who passed away already. So, bye for now. Saraken. Mwah.